first video, I thought I would do like my glam that I always do, without no foundation, and it's really quick and easy to create. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Subscribe, follow, ring the notification bell, leave your lovely comments to see how my first ever video was and the look. I'm going to start off with this in the shade Golden Camel, because that's what my skin shade resembles, Golden Camel. So I'm just going to add some on my cheeks, forehead and the chin. And I really just like it. I know this is a lot, but it's really nice. It's like a tinted moisturizer. Tinted skin veil. So now I'm just going to blend it in with a brush. Here I'm just using a buffing brush. It's fantastic. So any buffing brush will do. And you're just literally blending and stippling into the skin. I always tend to use a brush just because I feel like you just get a really nice flawless finish. So if you like to use a beauty blender, then by all means you can, but I've always used a brush. The Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20. I've had this for ages, but this is literally what I use on an everyday basis. So again, using the same buffing brush to blend out the concealer, just because I like to have a bit of the same product, just because it kind of blends in really well together. So yes, that's why I'm just using the same brush. Can you just see like how amazing it's just lifted? Like just how much brighter. And just with the rest of the brush, just kind of go like amazing, right? Just instantly lifted it. Revolution Face Luxury Baking Powder. You can do this with a beauty blender, but I just like to add this first. And to kind of set everything.
Ryan Little.
Then, so to set the rest of my face, I go in with the MAC Studio Fix, just ever so lightly. So I'm in the shade NC40, if anyone wants to know. But it's like a full coverage like powder, but I literally just do this like a tiny bit and just go over the rest, because your girl has like really oily skin, so I just use a little bit on an everyday basis. I use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Medium Deep Matte Bronzer. It literally smells like chocolate, I'm not kidding you. So going to apply the bronzer on the cheekbones just to kind of have a really nice definition, and also just to kind of warm up the face, so kind of drawing the line, blending it a little and buffing it upwards. And then just adding it also onto the forehead just for the warmth. Love bronzer on my cheekbones, forehead, the jawline, just to get a really nice definition, and also the eyelids for this kind of glam look, so it gives the appearance of an eyeshadow. but it's really bronzer and it's just really quick and easy. I go in with another Bare Minerals Invisible Bronze in the shade Tan. Look at it. Ooh. This just helps to really bring a little bit more colour. So adding a little bit of bronzer around the nose just to get that warmth, and also a little bit of definition also as well. MAC Sun Basque Share Tone Shimmer Blush. It's that really soft. Normally I kind of like change it up from like pinks. I love a pink blush, but today I just felt like a nice shimmery. I legit love bronze blushes so much. I will re-add it again at the end. So using the same brush that we used for the MAC powder, just applying it just under the cheekbones just to get that clean look. This bad boy, everyone always asks me about my brows, and I have always used NYX tinted brow mascara, and it is amazing. I've been using this for like years, and it's so inexpensive. It's like £9 I think, or £8. So light strokes just to get that really natural finish. I'm gonna have to use a mirror. It's really hard to look at the camera screen. So just gentle strokes just to really get a nice natural look, and it's very like a flawless finish. I need to do my eyebrows. These are really bad. Look how amazing, and I literally only used one product. That really natural, defined brow. Just wow, isn't it? To do eyeliner on camera, so this is going to be really interesting. Now you're not supposed to stretch the skin, but this is literally how I apply it. So just small strokes of the flick of the eyeliner, so just really slow and steady. And then you're gonna like come back on yourself. I always like to do the flick first, so I know how the outline of my eyeliner is going to be. So just building it up really slowly. I always like to really slow it down with this because the eyeliner is like the crucial bit, and depending on what kind of style of eyeliner you're looking to achieve. But yeah, slow and steady. This is how I did it off camera. Nars Climax mascara. So mascara, just applying on the top lashes and bottom. I always get fascinated watching other people apply mascara on. I just have no idea, but it's always so like fascinating to watch. But yeah, this is an amazing mascara. It lengthens, thickens, it's really lovely. So applying mascara to the bottom lashes. I have quite long bottom lashes, and this mascara is just, again, I have no bad words about this mascara. It's time to dust off. A highlight, of course, because as much as this, but we need we need NASA to see us, you know. So we've got the MAC Whisper of Guilt Extra Dimension Skin Finish highlighter. So, just that slight because oily girl over here, oily skin, oily girl, oily skin. and then you just literally go overboard everywhere. My Cupid's bow. Huda Beauty Giselle lashes. Bourjours rouge velvet in the number 13. I lost this and I found it, and I'm really loving the colour of this. Back in the shade Soar. I just like to pencil it after. You can do it before or after, but so I like to apply a little bit of eyeliner just to cover the band. Last thing I like to do, I love doing, adding a little tiny bit, and look at the difference. It's a little Glow Water by Fresh. Amazing. So this is the finished look of a flawless yet simple glam. Yeah, what do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed the video of this look. It's super easy to do, and please leave your lovely comments on how the video was, and yeah, just overall like your feedback and stuff, what you guys thought. Would love to know any ideas of what you would like to see in my other videos. I'll be doing lots and lots, so really excited as this is my first one. But yeah, please follow, subscribe, like, all that lovely good stuff. Follow me on Instagram as well. I'll add all like the products also down below as well if you would like also as well. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. My battery is about to die. I'm going now to go and do a workout and pester my brother to get his butt, because it's day 2 of us both exercising together. Looking like this. I might just take off the lashes because that's a bit too like much. I don't want people to be like, what is she doing? But